Check out this 2003 BMW 3 Series. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: traction control, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.